Hello everyone, today we are going go learn on how you can make your TikTok account private, so this means whomever follows you, they will see your posts and everything once they have followed you, so simply start by opening your TikTok. Then go on the profile menu account. Then go on the top right corner and click on this three dots. After getting this results, simply go on privacy. Then after click on switching on account privacy. And if you get a bar like this, make sure your account is set to personal account, then now click on account private. So now your account has been set to private, so thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.